Dad,
Yeah.
gotta try this guacamole. I just made it. It's so good.
You make the best guac. Is it okay if I call it guac for short?
Oh, yeah.
You're not offended or anything?
No, that works. That's
Okay.
perfectly fine with me.
Okay, let's try this. Oh, the chips are not very big. Oh, you nailed it. Absolutely nailed it.
You didn't even get anything on there.
Oh, man. I'm eating so fast, it's getting all over me.
You're not even getting anything. The chips are breaking in the bowl. You're not even.
Oh, Jordan, you know, it's an amazing thing. Like, I've had guacamole where it's like too spicy, but this is just really light. You could barely taste it.
Because you're not getting anything on the chip. You're just eating the chips. Do you not see the chips just sitting in the bowl?
Is it just me, or is there like some sort of scam with chips? Like they're not as big as they used to be? I mean, look at the size of the chips they're selling now. What is going on?
You're breaking them. Do you not see that? Do you not see the chips just sitting in the bowl?
Oh, I think I could eat this whole bag of chips with this guac. It's not going down much, but oh. Jordan, I seriously think you could package this and sell it. It's amazing.
Wait, are you serious?
I am serious. This is so good. I could do 2 chips at the same time. Watch. 2 chips.
Wait, but you did it again.
Oh, delicious. Absolutely delicious.
You didn't get anything on the chip. Look, the chip is still in here. There's nothing even on it.
Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Oh, that is amazing. I'm serious. I actually want to sell this. Can you maybe you could post like the ingredients online and it'll go viral. Wouldn't it be great if your guac went viral?
I mean, that would be pretty cool.
Wouldn't it be
Yeah,
great?
that would be awesome.
What if your guac had a virus?
Yes, wait. Oh my gosh, wait. Yeah, what if I became like, like the TikToks and like the videos and stuff where they cook and they make stuff?
Yeah. You think we could get on the Food Network with this?
Well, that's what I'm starting to think. But if you could do me a favor, so when you're eating it, you're not actually getting any of the guac on there, really. Like now, you've built up basically like just a layer of chips, where it would almost be impossible for you to even get any guac on it, and yet you're still eating it.
Oh, I could still get it in there.
Okay, you could go around them, yeah. No, but you did the same thing again. It just broke off.
Jordan, we have to do something. Do you think we could start our own brand, like our own TikTok brand of guac?
I
Do you think this would work?
You really?
Jordan, this is it. We could be rich. This is it. This is the big one, baby. Woo! We did it. We came up with the perfect product to sell on TikTok.
Guacamole?
This.
But don't you think that would be bad?
Oh my gosh! Guac talk. Talk guac. TikTok guac.
Is that the
Guac
name of
talk.
it? No, but how would you sell it though? Because wouldn't it be like it would be warm by the time it got to people, unless you had like crazy packaging where they had like ice in it. Like you don't want to sell warm guacamole, no? Or do you?
No, we could.
Yeah.
We could have people microwave it.
Well, do me a favor. How about you actually try the guacamole? Because you keep saying it's so good, but I haven't seen you actually get it on a chip yet.
Oh, I'm telling you, this actually melts in your mouth. Look, you can't even. Do you even see it on my tongue?
No, that's because you didn't.
It's
get
gone.
anything.
It literally melted.
Look! I could lift these up.
It's
the block is
delicious.
just sitting under them. You have a
Look,
massive layer of
I'm
chip.
going right under it.
Yeah, but then you're breaking off the top.
You gotta stop, man. This is amazing. You are an amazing, amazing, inventive kid.
Really?
I'm so glad you're my son.
Wait, really?
Could we hug?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait. No, I'd rather have the guac right now.
It's that good?
It's that good.
You wanna know what's insane though?
Oh, right here. Oh, that was nice.
That was kind of nice, yeah. Wait, I kind of like that. Now just if you could do me a favor though,
Yeah.
I don't want to be too like intrusive or annoying. Is there any way you could actually try the guacamole? Like just give it a little taste?
That's what I've been doing. Haven't
Well,
you been watching?
You've been complimenting it a
Watch,
lot, but I
watch.
haven't seen a chip with guacamole actually enter your mouth. All right, next time can you do a little slower? I want to see. I want to inspect the chip to see if there's actually guacamole on it before
Every crumb.
before it goes into your mouth, because right now I'm just not seeing it. All right, dip it in. You blocked it with your finger. You blocked it with your finger.
Oh, man, that is delicious.
Here. I'll dip it for you. You're right. Are you ready? I'll get a little guacamole. You can see the guacamole is right there. Give that a try.
Okay.
You just did the thing again.
You're right. That was better.
No, I could see it's still here. Now you just got another chip attached. It's still here. This is what I'm saying. Try this. With the guacamole actually on the chip. Try that.
Okay, let me see.
It actually tastes better with the guacamole on the chip.
Oh, I think I know what you mean.
No, this chip right here has the guacamole on it. Try that one. Well,
you're right. That was good.
you bit the part.
You're
bit the part that
absolutely
doesn't
right.
have guacamole on it. You know how long it took me to make this, and you're not even trying it.
What do you mean? I liked it so much I offered to help market it with you.
Yeah, but I feel.
Remember
you're not actually
Guac
eating
Talk?
it.
Do you remember we had the conversation about Guac Talk?
Guac Talk, yeah. I mean, that was a great idea, but you're not actually trying it. I was psyched. I was pumped about Guac Talk. I was getting all excited. I'm like, it's something we could even take on like Shark Tank or
Jordan,
something.
I just thought of this. You have to make it hashtag Guac Talk. Oh, this is going to be huge.
Do people still use,
huge.
do people use hashtags still? I feel like that's kind of irrelevant.
Yes, they do.
How do you know?
Because I've seen them.
Okay, that doesn't prove anything. You're on old person TikTok. You're on old talk. So maybe they're using them, but I'm trying to reach the younger generation right now.
That's ageism. Did you know that?
Well, what you're doing right now is ageism, and I think it's because I'm young that you're not actually trying my guacamole. Just pause for a second before you eat that chip. Look at the bowl. Do you not see all the chips sitting in there?
Yeah, there's a couple of them broke.
Do you not realize that you're not actually getting guacamole?
That sometimes happens. That's one of the risks of using guacamole. That's how you know it has a terrific viscosity.
You're literally dipping chips into chips right now. You're not getting any of the dip. And you still like the flavor. Or the chips can't be that good.
That's how good this guac is. It permeates right through the other chips.
What?
Wait,
let me try.
Can you smell it?
Let me give it a try.
See?
Oh my gosh.
It is good.
Wait, let me get another.
Can you say guac talk?
Guac Talk.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh.
Guac talk.
Wait, why is that so good?
Hashtag guac talk.
Wait, pause.
Wait, what if we get everybody who watches this to put hashtag guac talk in the comments? How awesome would that be?
No, I don't want that. Pause. Why is that so good?
Because of the hashtag guac talk.
I don't know, but I feel like it was good even before you said that. Like, it was just good in general.
Oh,
Let me try this again. Oh my gosh. Wait, what did I make here? I made
I'm telling you, we're going to be rich.
I made something special here. I really did.
We're going to be rich.
You should be proud of me.
Yep, this is it.
You should actually be like super proud of me. I think I am like.
Our guac talk train has arrived, baby.
I think I might be a culinary.
Everybody
genius.
get on board.
Oh my gosh! Imagine the TikTok shop with the guacamole.
Oh,
Oh my gosh! I feel like that would sell out in like a day.
I'm telling you, if TikTok themselves doesn't